Brad Williams, XL Prime. Count cells that include G2 or G3. Here, COUNTIFS, not COUNTIF, allows multiple criteria. Allows us to do a lot of creative things in terms of counting. We can throw a sum into this COUNTIFS. We could put in operators. We can hard code it in terms of list constants. A lot of variation, but here we're just going to focus on these two criteria. What am I talking about in criteria? In terms of COUNTIFS, count cells that meet multiple criteria. Our criteria will be fruit, peach, and grower. It looks like a state. So peach is grown in Colorado. Find them. Just count them. If there's more than one, then just count them. And that's it. Here it is, COUNTIF. What are we doing here? Our criteria range, C5, C14. Where are we going here? Criteria 1, G2, gonna be peach. We're looking for peach. We're gonna count peaches. If, here's our second criteria, it's gonna be D5 to D14 if in G3, Colorado. Here we have 1. Find peach, Colorado. Find anything else? No. Hit F9. You're going to see apples in, it's like Wyoming. I don't think they grow too many apples in Wyoming. You can see that we have apple, and that's what COUNTIF does. Now down the road, we're going to probably add and use a little sum here. Over here is a nice write-up. A lot of tips here. I don't want to cover them all. Go ahead and peruse this. We will touch on every one of these at one point in time. Brad Williams, XL Prime.